Internet of Things return on investment analysis focuses on measuring the value and impact of your IoT implementations. Understanding how to calculate returns, track benefits, and measure growth is essential for making informed business decisions. Throughout this presentation, you'll learn the frameworks and methodologies needed to accurately assess the financial performance of your IoT investments. Return on investment for Internet of Things measures the financial gain or loss generated from your IoT implementation compared to the amount invested. The basic formula is straightforward. ROI equals net benefits divided by total costs, multiplied by 100%. This calculation expresses your return as a percentage of your original investment, making it easy to compare different projects and justify technology spending to stakeholders. When calculating IoT ROI, you need to account for 4 major cost categories. First, hardware and devices include sensors, gateways, actuators, and all connected equipment needed for deployment. Second, software and platform costs cover IoT platforms, analytics tools, licenses, and application development. Third, connectivity and infrastructure encompasses network setup, data transmission, cloud storage, and bandwidth expenses. Finally, maintenance and support includes ongoing updates, repairs, technical support, and continuous system monitoring. Understanding these components ensures you capture the full investment picture. Tangible benefits are the measurable financial returns from your IoT implementation. Energy savings reduce electricity and resource consumption, directly lowering utility bills. Lower maintenance costs result from predictive maintenance capabilities that reduce unexpected downtime. Labor efficiency improves through automation that reduces manual work requirements. Inventory optimization provides better stock management and tracking, reducing carrying costs. Faster processes streamline operations and workflows, increasing throughput. Quality improvements lead to fewer defects and better products, reducing waste and rework costs. These concrete benefits form the foundation of your ROI calculation. Beyond measurable financial returns, IoT delivers strategic value that's harder to quantify but equally important. Customer satisfaction increases through enhanced user experiences and personalized services, building loyalty and strengthening brand reputation. Better decision-making emerges from real-time data, insights that enable faster, more informed strategic choices. Competitive advantage comes from innovation leadership and market differentiation that create lasting business value. A data-driven culture develops organization-wide analytics capabilities and improved operational visibility. While these benefits are challenging to assign dollar values to, they significantly contribute to long-term success. Calculating ROI follows 5 essential steps. First, calculate total investment by summing all initial costs plus ongoing expenses over your analysis period. Second, measure financial benefits by quantifying cost savings, revenue increases, and efficiency gains in monetary terms. Third, calculate net benefit by subtracting total costs from total benefits to find your net gain or loss. Fourth, compute ROI percentage by dividing net benefit by total investment and multiplying by 100. Fifth, determine payback period by calculating how long it takes to recover your initial investment. Following these steps systematically ensures accurate, defensible ROI calculations. Let's examine a real-world example from a smart manufacturing facility over 3 years. Investment costs included $500,000 for hardware and installation, $200,000 for software and licenses, and $150,000 for maintenance and support, totaling $850,000. Annual benefits included $180,000 in energy savings, $220,000 from reduced downtime, and $150,000 in labor efficiency improvements. Over 3 years, total benefits reached $1,650,000. This yields a return on investment of 94%, demonstrating strong value creation from the IoT implementation. Tracking the right metrics ensures you can measure and demonstrate IoT success. Payback period indicates the time required to recover your initial investment. Net present value calculates the current value of future cash flows, accounting for the time value of money. Internal rate of return measures the annual growth rate of your investment. Operational efficiency tracks productivity and process improvements. Cost reduction quantifies savings in operations and resource usage. Asset utilization measures equipment usage and performance rates. Monitoring these indicators provides a comprehensive view of your IoT program's performance and helps identify areas for optimization. Organizations face several challenges when measuring IoT ROI. Data collection issues make it difficult to gather accurate baseline metrics and ongoing performance data needed for proper analysis. Hidden costs emerge in training, integration, security, and system updates that weren't initially budgeted. Long implementation times extend deployment periods, delaying benefit realization and ROI achievement. Attribution complexity makes it hard to isolate IoT impact from other business improvements and market factors. Rapidly changing technology requires updates that affect long-term cost projections. Finally, intangible benefits like improved customer satisfaction and enhanced brand value are difficult to quantify in financial terms. Being aware of these challenges helps you plan for and address them proactively. Maximizing IoT ROI requires following proven best practices. Set clear objectives by defining specific, measurable goals before deployment to track meaningful outcomes. Establish baseline metrics by documenting current performance to accurately measure improvements after implementation. Start with pilot projects to test on a smaller scale and validate benefits before full-scale investment. Monitor continuously by tracking key performance indicators regularly and adjusting strategies based on real-time performance data. Engage stakeholders across all departments to ensure alignment and maximize value realization. Plan for scalability by designing systems that can grow with your business to extend long-term value. By following these practices, you'll position your IoT initiatives for sustained success and strong returns on investment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.